On the bottom of it, there's dimmers in case you have neighbors. You want to dim it down because this thing, it is bright. All right, so look at the lights on the side of it. He's still setting them up here, but they look beautiful. They're not too bright enough so the neighbors won't see them, which is perfect. I'm gonna change them out right now so you guys can see the different features on it. All right, today we're gonna bring outdoor permanent lights. That means you could set these up and leave them there. Now, great thing about it is they got adhesive in each one. All right, if you don't want them having adhesive, you want to permanently set them up, they also give you the screws, all the little screws with the screwdriver, if you guys can see that, and extra adhesive so you can wrap them up, and the little hooks so you can tie them down. Now this is 100 feet, comes with a remote, but you can also download an app for it. But in the remote, look at auto modes. We're gonna put modes, speeds, one color if you want. Ooh, that is really bright. And then you can go different colors. You can put timers from here. We're gonna go back to modes. You can put timers in here. The music, I mean, when this audio, test 1, 2, 3, you could talk. If you have music playing on the outside, it's perfect too. So we're gonna go back to modes. And if you guys can see, you could go different modes. It has hundreds of different modes, all right, that you could pick them. So it doesn't have to be for Christmas. It could be for Halloween. If it could be for Thanksgiving, you could change the colors that you want, and it's going to work great. So we're going to set these up today to see how they look at night. Finally finished them. They look beautiful. Goes all around. Great for the holidays. You could change any template you want for any holiday. We're going to show you guys the app right now in a bit, but I just want to show you the color changing on it. All right, so let's go ahead with the app. No, this, oh yeah, there's all the apps. You could turn them off. You could turn them off, hit the off button. Okay, turn it back on. There you go, scenes. And then choose one. All right, so we're going to change one. Choose one. Look at that one. Try another theme. Oh, I like that one for Halloween. Look at all the themes that they have. They have different themes. You could choose all of them, and like you just choose the color, multicolor one. There's a different one. There we go. Look at that. Awesome lights. So if you guys are looking for all year round lights, comes from remote or the app. You could set up your timers. You could do audio too. So if you have music, it could go along with your music too. Out of the box, very simple. It took about, this took about an hour and a half to put together, in but setting up the program, it took about 2 or 3 minutes. But hope you guys enjoy this video.